Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gloss medium. First, understand that gloss medium is a versatile acrylic product designed to enhance your artwork. It increases the transparency and sheen of your acrylic paints, allowing for richer, more vibrant colors. You can mix it directly with your paints to create beautiful glazes or apply it as a final protective layer. This medium dries to a clear, glossy, and durable finish, making your art truly stand out. When mixing, always start with a small amount of gloss medium, gradually adding it to your acrylic paint. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio, but feel free to experiment to achieve your desired transparency and gloss. Apply the mixture in thin, even layers using a soft brush. This ensures a smooth finish and prevents streaks. Patience is key. Allow each layer to dry completely before applying the next to avoid muddiness. Gloss medium excels in glazing techniques. For glazes, use a higher ratio of medium to paint, perhaps 3 parts medium to 1 part paint, to create translucent layers that build up color and depth. When using it as a final varnish, ensure your artwork is completely dry, which can take several days. Apply 2 to 3 thin, even coats, allowing ample drying time between each. This provides a durable, protective, and beautifully glossy finish. For the best results, always clean your brushes thoroughly with soap and water immediately after using gloss medium. Working in a well-ventilated area is also a good practice. Before applying to your main artwork, it's always wise to test your mixture on a scrap surface to ensure you achieve the desired effect. Finally, store your gloss medium in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its quality and extend its shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.